Hey YouTube, well go on, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna work on this Toyota Corolla. So from 2014 all the way up, we're gonna change the tail lamp. I'm just showing you the car so you guys don't ask me what year it is. Once your Corolla look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure. So first we gotta open the trunk, because since we're gonna change all the lights in the back, so with this video you will know how to change all the lights. I'm not going to change this one seems to be good. I'm going to change this one because it's cracked right there. Change this one because it's chipped right there, and this one because it's chipped right there. So we're going to go ahead and replace all them lights. Alright, so to change this tail lamp right here, you got to take out these two clips. And once again, the compressor won't let me be great, so I'm just gonna talk a little bit louder so you guys can hear me. So go ahead and hold this right here, pull back on it like that, hold this right here like that, and once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and just peel this back to get these 10mm back here. So you want to squeeze this, unplug that, squeeze this and unplug that. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3 10mm to take it off. So 10mm. Once that's done, you can get this, just kind of knock it. Knock and pull at it at the same time. So you want to kind of leave it on, leave the nuts on a little bit, and then you knock it. Take it off. Just have to get a small hammer because the clip was still holding it. So once you get it loose, then you take off all the nut, and then you just continue to knock it out like that. Get this out. So guys, we have the new tail lamp right here. Don't worry, link will be in the description for all the tail lamp. Hopefully I can find them. So you want to make sure this hook right here, hook in here, so to keep it flush on the side of the body. So let's go ahead and get the 10M. So we just gotta tighten these up. So guys, once you get everything tightened up, you can go ahead and just put this back, plug this in, the gray go to the gray and the black go to the brown. Then you can put this like this. Once that's done, we're gonna move to the other one. So there you go, get that seated properly right there, line up with the seam. Alright, guys, so now it's time to remove this one right here. So let's get it up. Once we get that down, we want to take out this 10mm right here and also squeeze and unplug that right there, and these two 10mm too. Alright, so once we get those off, we can just take it out. So you want to shake it, rock it, and pull it back towards the rear of the car. Just like that. Also, again guys, link will be fine in the description. So right here you can see I plugged that back in just by this, and then I put this back. But the reason I'm gonna show you how to do this one right here is because that one didn't have this cap, so you need to remove the cap just like that. Once you remove the cap, you can go ahead and squeeze this, take that out. 10mm right here as well. You need to get in here. So take that one out right there. Just take it off like that. So we got the new one right here. And then you want to put this back right here, plug this back in. Then you just want to get these clips and put them back. and then you would check your work, make sure it's good. That's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.